My dear brothers and sisters, this appeal comes to you from the Catholic Diocese of Thanjavur, South India. At the very outset, we thank you so much for letting us make this mission appeal online. Even though there are so many unmet needs in our diocese, our appeal this year focuses specifically on COVID-related relief and rebuilding work. Before I come to that, I would like to give you an overview of our diocese and our mission in general. The Diocese of Thanjavur is located on the east coast of India. It consists of 96 parishes and 1,061 mission stations. We are a rural and agricultural diocese. Therefore, besides the work of evangelization, we are also involved in many social developmental work. We run many schools and 38 homes for children, where more than 2,000 children are accommodated. The diocese partially supports their boarding and education. We run nursing homes and homes for the destitute. The cost of running these institutions is partly met by the generous contributions raised in the mission appeals. This time around, we would like to channel all the funds into helping the poor people affected by the COVID pandemic. Over the last 1 year, with the help and cooperation of many parishes, the religious, NGOs, and volunteers, the Catholic Diocese of Thanjavur has done much by way of COVID relief measures. Some of them are as follows. Distribution of rice and grocery worth $40,000 American to needy Catholic families in 62 parishes. Organization of community kitchens in many parishes for people left without work due to lockdown. The Diocesan Social Service Society reached rice, groceries, and vegetables worth $12,000 American to poor deserving families. Donation of masks and sanitizers worth $2,000 American to the local government to help frontline workers. COVID relief work is an ongoing mission, as the second wave has left a far severer damage on the diocese. It is going to take a lot to overcome the after effects of this pandemic and rebuild the lives of the people, which is the reason we have come to you with this appeal. With the help of the money raised from this mission appeal and with our own resources, the diocese intends to take up the following initiatives. Supply of sanitation kit to poor people. Supply of nutritional supplement to poor people. Setting up post-corona treatment centers and care homes. Equipping the diocesan-run Our Lady of Health Hospital with 20 oxygen beds, 56 non-oxygen beds, and erection of a small oxygen plant in order to help the corona patients. We earnestly seek your financial assistance in this life-saving endeavor. With your support, the above measures will benefit about 960 families and nearly 4,800 people affected by COVID-19 in the Diocese of Thanjavur. The American Catholics have always stood by and supported world missions, especially the missions in India. Your support during these very challenging times will help us minister to our people in a meaningful way and take the mission forward. God bless you, and God bless the Church in America. Thank you so much.